Hey everyone, welcome back to Any Topics. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for fun and useful videos on, well, any topic you can think of. Today, we're diving into some super easy and creative DIY projects that anyone can try, even if you're a total beginner. So grab your supplies and let's get crafting. First up, DIY painted plant pots. All you need is a plain terracotta pot, some acrylic paints, and a brush. Clean the pot to remove dust. Paint a base color and let it dry. Add fun designs like stripes, polka dots, or even cute faces. Seal it with clear spray sealant. This makes a great personalized gift. Next, let's make mason jar candle holders. You'll need mason jars, tea lights, and some decorative items like twine, lace, or dried flowers. Wrap twine or lace around the jar. Place a tea light inside. Optional. Add dried flowers or beads for a personal touch. Instant cozy vibes for your home. Now, let's get into handmade jewelry. Making your own beaded bracelets is easier than you think. Choose your favorite beads and an elastic cord. Thread the beads onto the cord in any pattern you like. Knot the ends securely and trim off excess cord. Unique, handmade accessories in minutes. Here's a fun one. A photo collage board. Perfect for decorating your room. Get a corkboard or foam board. Print out photos or use old postcards. Attach with thumbtacks or glue. Add string lights or stickers for flair. Your memories, your style. Last but not least, let's make some custom bookmarks. All you need is cardstock, markers, and ribbon. Cut cardstock into bookmark shapes. Decorate with markers, stickers, or even watercolor. Punch a hole and tie a ribbon at the top. Perfect for book lovers. That's it for today's DIY fun. Which project are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching Any Topics. See you next time.